Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add money to my PayPal account. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. For us to add money to our PayPal account, the first thing that we can do is to do a request from our contacts. So all we need to do is just click the Send and Request tab at the top of our interface. Or if you are using your mobile app, you can just click the request icon right away. And you are just going to write the name, the username or email or the mobile number of the contact that you want to request money from. So you can request money up to 20 people in your contacts. And then just write the amount that you're going to request. So let's say I'm going to request for 500 pesos. So you can add more people in this part if you forgot someone. So you can add an information what the payment is for or what the money is for. And then after that, just click request a payment. Another way to add money to your PayPal account, you can link your credit card or your debit card in your PayPal account. So just click the add card or bank icon. And then you can link your credit card first. So just write the debit or the credit card number. And then your card type. And then the expiration date. The security code. And the billing address. After that, click link card. Next, you can link your bank account. So just click link a bank account. Write the bank name, the bank code, and the account number. And then click link your bank. And there, that's how you can add money to your PayPal account. If you have questions, please type them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.